I'm Lance Corporal Key, 2 Engineer Regiment, 3 Squadron. Yeah, I think it's quite simple. It's quite easy to get your head around and use. The blocks are nice and flat packed, which makes it quite easy to come in such small boxes, yet you can get so many pieces out of it. I think when you see all the parts come on the pallets, you kind of expect it to be a little bit more complicated than it is. There's a lot of parts and you think, oh, this is going to take ages, but in reality, once you get your head around it, it's pretty simple. The blocks and the flooring and the base plates and the windows and stuff, it's pretty simple. Yeah, I'd 100% recommend it. You know, if you can find good level ground or even, you know, uneven ground, it's good, it's portable, and it goes up nice and easy and nice and quickly. I think it would be, I think we spoke, some people who used it for like trenching systems and things like that. I think it could be good for all sorts of training, whether it's like casualty or your CQB sort of stuff. But I think it can be branched out beyond that, definitely, if you've got bright ideas. If you were to fill the blocks inside with something permanent like sand to keep it a lot more stability, I think it could stick around. You know, it's not going to wear away, it's plastic, so it's not going to go anywhere, and as long as you can find a way to keep it stable for a long period of time, I think 100% it could stay, you know, temporary or permanent.